Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. How is everyone? Beginning of a new week, Tuesday, the 4th of April, 2017 is flying by. Can't actually believe how much this year is actually blasting through. So, how's everyone in the webinar today? We are joined by, oh dear me, hang on a minute. That's very freaking out. That's going mad. Okay, so we're joined by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. Jesus Christ. Now this is the part that I absolutely love about my job, is the fact that I can actually help and assist anyone for, completely no price. Just wake up, ready to go, smash it. Let's do this. So now, most of you guys know how I like to start these videos. Welcome, obviously, to everyone who's in the webinar. Just a few things, obviously. Those of you who are watching on YouTube, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And those of you who are in the webinar, please don't forget to like the video on YouTube, okay, because it will be on YouTube. And also don't forget to comment on the YouTube video, okay, about all your thoughts, okay, guys, and how you found the webinar. I just want some more positive feedback, because there's no feedback for the webinars. There's only a couple of people giving me a bit of feedback. So I want people to give loads and loads of feedback on all the webinar videos. And just sort of let's try and build a nice, big community for people to come together and trade on the webinars. And so, yeah. But guys, let's get to it. What I'm going to hopefully start doing in the near future is I might get like a Facebook group together or a Skype group, and then everyone can sort of if there's 30 of us in this group, and then we can all just converse and obviously have our Skypes going wild and just talk to each other about, our experiences and softwares and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, let's go and let's do this. So we're joined by 15 people now. There are still people joining. So what we'll do is we'll just wait a few minutes for everyone to join in. But yeah, those of you who have just joined us, welcome to the webinar. We're just going through a few things. So guys, if you're liking us on YouTube, obviously like the video, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Okay, and those of you who are on this webinar, please give your feedback, because I want people to know that I am doing these webinars correctly. And obviously if I'm doing anything wrong, then let me know as well. I need some negative as well as positive. But anyway, so how do we start off all our webinars? Well, first we're going to go through a few Q&As, and if there's anyone who's got any questions, which I'm sure there's going to be a lot of you that have got a lot of questions, so yeah, guys, ask away. And also the last thing I'm going to mention also is the disclaimer. Guys, it's your money, okay? I'm not in control of your money. I'm not telling you to place the trades, okay? I can't legally do that, okay? I'm not, obviously I have no qualifications to become a trader. I can't legally give you guys actual financial go put, go call, okay? If there's anything that I know is going to be certain and I'll say exactly what I'm going to do, then it's up to you guys if you lot want to copy me. Okay, that's completely up to you. There's a lot of you that do copy me, and to be honest, it is probably at times you guys are actually copying me, and it does come in the money, and you guys are very happy. I know there was one webinar out of, because obviously we've had 50 webinars now, I think, something around 50 webinars, but there's been a couple of bad ones. There's a couple of really bad ones, and I hate doing a bad webinar, but you can't control the market all the time. So guys, it's completely up to you what you do with your money. I'm mainly here to answer any questions about any sort of trading strategies, SNR, CCI, MACD, trend, anything that could sort of help you guys to trade. Now, while I've been gibbering and jabbering, obviously the AUD USD on your screens has been going absolutely wild. So first thing we're going to be doing is having a look at the economic calendar. Now, let's have a good look-see. 23 minutes ago, there were some USD volatility movements on factory orders for the month of February, and also April's economic... I don't know how to say that word because I'm so bad with English that I'm just fucking stupid sometimes. So I'm not actually going to say that word and humiliate myself like an asshole. So in 7 minutes, we actually have a speech. And now, as most of you know, obviously... speeches are very high in volatility. Okay, the European Central Bank's president Mario is going to be speaking. Okay, so he's done a few of these, especially now that Brexit's happening, obviously with Theresa May, who's the Prime Minister of the UK, and everything. There's been lots of stuff going on, especially over with yesterday. There was a lot of things happening with the likes of Gibraltar, which is on the southern part of Spain, near where my family is from, lives, sorry, not from. And there's been a whole lot of arguments about what's going to happen to Gibraltar, etc., what's going to happen here. So this speech is going to be starting in 6 minutes. So that is something that we're going to be focusing on, and that's why I've decided to do the webinar at 3:15, okay, at 3:15, just so we can obviously catch this. Now, this GMT clock is still behind, okay, obviously the clock's went forward, so it's actually 25 minutes past 3, okay, and not 2. But obviously it's Greenwich time, so it's not going to change. Now, I want to have a look at the enhanced trading view on the AUD USD. The AUD has been fluctuating quite a lot recently, especially from around 12 noon. So what I want to do is that is something that I want to focus on. Now, I'm going to launch my FX Street chart really, really quickly. Now, I love the enhanced trading view. I love option box view. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying they're bad in any way, shape or form. But I just think it's nice to change the charts into candlesticks every now and again. And just so you can see the volatility and spike of obviously whichever currency pair that you're going to be trading on. For example, we are currently looking at the AUD USD. There's been a few spikes here and there. And I just want to see what the sort of trend and what the pattern is. Do you know what I mean? So now, now let's have a quick look here. So it's spiking quite a lot. It's going to be going up. I think we can see that happening here. On the enhanced trading view, which I need to just quickly grab, so move that chat out of the way really quickly. Zoom that in, put the chat back. There we go. Zoom in here really, really quickly. So as you can see, it's been a lot of volatility, a few spikes of support and resistance, but the problem is it always seems to break through. Like what it's done here, it's actually gone straight, but we can see a green candle just spiking up. So the straight line, that will change, I reckon. That will go up. Or if it doesn't change now, it will probably start going down anyway. But because that red candle is actually further upwards than what the green one actually met with, okay, now it's actually reversed into a green candle. So that's definitely going to start spiking upwards. Now what I want to do is I want to place this here and go on the 75570. There we go. Open price trigger. I'm going to cancel that actually because that's already spiked downwards, which is a bit of a shame. So I'm going to go with, what's that candle doing? Candle seems to got a bit stuck. It's going to reverse. It's going to be a hard one actually because I don't know if it will reverse up there. But in case it does break past that point, I'm going to have it so the resistance marker is going to be open to place a put trade on that specific line just there. Just in case it does. If it doesn't, then we'll just cancel that price trigger. Okay, that's absolutely fine. Obviously, you can do that on this software. That's what I like about it. So, AUD USD, okay, it's still dropping downwards. So, I'm going to cancel that. Now, it's still dropping fairly. Quite a lot, actually. So, I'm going to hit. So, when it starts breaking through this resistance marker, I want it to place a call trade. So, that's okay. And that is on level 75540. It's on 4-1 at the moment. Okay, it's just placed a trade. It's doing a stairwell at the moment. Let's hope it starts recovering shortly. There we go. Okay, slowly but surely. We have 3 minutes until the speech. AUD USD, as long as that starts pushing back up, which is what I like to see. It's on 4-1 at the moment, 4-2. Yeah, it's on 4-2 here as well. Oh yeah, just so those of you who know, the ATR, auto trading robot, which I think is an awful name to be perfectly honest, because it's not an auto trader. It's not an auto trading robot either. It should have been called like Price Trigger Robot. I think that would have been a cooler name, but well, what can I do anyway? I'm not exactly a bloody professional in naming bloody softwares. I don't actually know how long we have left, but obviously it's very, very soon. I got the chat box in the way. It's starting to go up. Fluctuating a little tiny bit. But yeah, looks like it's going to hit it. Just about. Return 162. Which is excellent for us. Okay, fantastic. So, excellent. Now, what's happening with that candle? The candle's going to... Oh, no, it's starting to... Okay, it's just broken through. So... Those who, if you did actually place the trade, you'd have been in the money for at least another 5 seconds or so. But it looks like it's just starting to break through now. So that's not really what we want to see. But it could potentially keep going until it hits this bottom part, which is on 0.75512, which is a huge drop. Okay, but that's the sort of pattern that we're seeing. That's the moving average. So I'm going to place another price trigger just there. And that has been placed on 0.75526. Now, I just want to update you guys who are watching on YouTube. Okay, we have an Alex who has joined us and an Alexander. Okay, Alexander and Alex. I'm going to cancel that because I'm starting to go back up now. Alex was in the money and Alexander was also in the money. Those two decided to copy me and place a trade. Them two were in the money. This is 60-second trading, Leon. Oh, I think there's something wrong with my drainage system. Okay, the speech has just been announced. Okay, it's happening now. It'd be good if we can actually watch it together. But now we're going to switch our currency pairs over to the euro currency pairs. And we're going to watch exactly what happens now to the euro. Now, there's been a couple of volatility movements, as you can see right now. I'm also going to go into the compare screen. I want to compare Euro GBP because I think that is also on. Just so I can watch these two currency pairs at once. I'm going to be switching this now to Euro USD. I'm also going to keep watching the Euro GBP as well. There won't be a lot of movement right now, solely because when it's a speech, we're going to have to see a lot first. Now, this is our Euro GBP and this is the Euro USD. Okay, so what we need to do is Euro USD's down here. Okay, so Euro USD, okay, they're both on 1 minute, which is good. Okay. They're both on classic candlesticks. Now we can actually have a nice clear view about what's going on. So guys, we're just going to quickly watch this. This is our Euro USD. This is our Euro USD. And then this is also Euro GBP. Euro GBP's just hit a spike. Euro GBP looks like it's still going down. So I'm going to place a put trade on that price trigger. And that price trigger is at 0.85569. And that's on the Euro GBP. There's a lot happening right now. Okay, it's just spiked up. Oh, please don't break through too much. I want it to start recovering, but I'm hoping it will start snatching through that specific line. So let me go back onto the enhanced trading view. That was with Euro GBP. Euro GBP is right there. It's just snatched through the line. As long as it starts coming down, which it should, that's good. Now Euro GBP, there it is. Euro GBP is not even freaking moving. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to go to Euro GBP, which is here. It's a red candle, which is good. That's what we want to see. It's still pushing downwards, which is good. Oh my god. That is fantastic news for us. The Euro GBP payout percentage, Joanne, isn't very good. I don't personally like it. Payout percentages are going to always change, I believe, for the Euro GBP at the moment. I can only estimate it's about maybe 78% to 82% payout. Obviously, the Euro currency pairs are going to be really, really easy to trade on. Okay, guys, so that's why the percentage payout's also dropped a little bit. There we go. We've got 2 trades that are finished. And we are flying it, guys. We have 2 trades in the money. That's good. And it looks like there was a big effect just now on the Euro GBP. As you guys can see right there, Rudy was in the money. Well done. And looks like it's still pushing through. So I'm going to go with another price. Actually, wait. Yes, I will. I'm going to go for one that's just going to go right there. I need to quickly place it. And that was at 5. That was at 0.85543 on Euro GBP. That was what the price trigger was on. I still think it's going to keep dropping. If it's having a negative effect, I can't actually see it recovering, to be perfectly honest. What I was going to say, Joanne, all platforms are different. It really does depend on what platform you're using. Every broker is different. Every platform was different. Everyone's going to offer very, very slightly different percentages. Okay, it's just broken through, guys. We have another trade in the works. Now, I can't see it recuperating itself. As long as that turns into a nice solid red candle, I'll be very, very happy. Ow, my back's just gone. Oh. This is going to be a close one, but I'm pretty hopeful. If that can just drop for me a little bit, just by a few pips. There we go. Let's give that 2 seconds, guys, and it should be okay. Okay, guys, here we go. Absolutely smashing it. There we go, another one. Absolutely cracking it on. These are all live trades. We have 3 trades now. 3 €90 trades, okay? Fantastic. So, guys, that is 3 trades, and it looks like everyone's doing very, very well. This is a good webinar. Now, we're just going to quickly have a little flip on the old Euro USD and just have a quick butchers at it and just see what we can sort of find, really. Now, the Euro USD, oh, it's having a positive effect. Now, that is very, very interesting, guys. Let's have a quick look. Let's see if we can try and place one more trade. Okay, Alex has just put in the money, 2 out of 2. I missed the second one. And then Alex decided to put, he's in the money as well, again, which is great. Fantastic, guys. I'm very, very happy you guys are seeing success. Now, it looks like the Euro USD is going up still. So I'm going to place a price trigger there. And that price trigger was set at 1.06535 on the Euro USD. Now, if it hits that point, it should start going up. Oh, it almost hit it. Oh, I don't think it hit it. No, it didn't. That is a big shame. I'm going to cancel that. I missed the point by the looks of it. Let me just move it up a bit to that specific point there. Ah, missed it again. Has it done it? Come on, hit it. Oh, man. Oh, that's a shame. I think I'm going to have to close it. I've got to close it. So I'm going to put one instead at 1.06541. 1 point slightly higher. But I don't think it's going to hit it. Fuck, I missed it. I put it just slightly 2 points too low. God's sake, and it was going up as well. Right, I'm going to place another strike trigger at 1.06560. Oh, by the way, guys, if you lot are watching this as well, don't forget I have links in the description of this YouTube video. It's my affiliate links, where if you guys would be so kind to get set up through my affiliate links, it just helps support the webinars, it helps support the channel, it pays for Simon's wages. No, but in all fairness, guys, I really do appreciate all the support. Simon was just saying that the support is overwhelming. The amount of support we get and how good we're doing with the webinars and the YouTube videos and how much we actually help you guys, it's a fantastic feeling. It really, really is. And I just want to say thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting us. So please use our affiliate links. It would be a great, great help. And if you guys do want to be a part of the webinars, don't forget, you guys can get in touch with us on Skype, use our affiliate links, and then you can be part of the webinars. But looks like it just hit it anyway on Euro USD. Come on, guys. This can be a 4 out of 4. Rudy's in the money again. Wink face. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. We've just reached 3,000 euros. Fantastic. Don't forget, Leon, the green lines are call, the red lines are put. It's as simple as that. It's price triggering. It's support and resistance bouncing in between 2 lines. If you put one on if it's a red that I'm clicking on, it's going to be a put. Fairly simple. Okay, Rob, ×2 in the money. That's good. Addy was in the money as well. Guys, all of you are in the money. I feel so happy that you guys are absolutely smashing it as well as I am. Guys, we are I am anyway. I'm 250 euros up now in pure profit. Oh, this is fantastic. Stefan is also in the money. Wow. I think with a total combination, guys, between us, we've all earned about £1,000. If we put all our money together, we've earned about 1,000 euros in the space of just 20 minutes of trading. Andrew was also in the money. Marcus is in the money. Those of you who are watching on YouTube and want to be part of the webinars, you guys are missing out, seriously. Dario Stefano, if you don't have this software, I have links at the bottom. Yeah, I'll have links in the YouTube video. Don't worry about that. Now, does anyone have any questions by any chance? Anyone have any questions? So I was just looking at my phone. Cheeky. Euro USD seems to have slumped now a little bit. Looks like we just caught that at the right time. Which time frame do I use to make sure it's clear? I just use intraday 1. Everything on the shortest possible intraday is what I use it on. You can use 5 or 10 if you really want to get a nice clear overview, but that's entirely up to you guys. Right, guys, all my links are in the description down below. Please leave a like on this video, okay? Also, please, for the love of God, okay, share, guys, your experiences. There are 18 of you in this webinar. 18 of you, okay? I want all 18 of you to share your experience on this video that's going to be put up on YouTube within the next half an hour. Hang on, there's a few questions coming in, so I'll answer these just before I go. Do you trade with a broker company that offers trading signals to help? Don't use a broker's trading signals, for the love of God. Okay, seriously. Just use softwares like what I'm using. Just copy me. Don't go off and do anything else. Seriously. Watching the economic calendar, how do you know if that event will take a down or upwards chart? You don't really know. It's impossible to know unless you go back and have a look at previous times when that specific one happened. So if you're looking at, obviously this one, say the speech of the president of the central bank, you'd go back to previous days and find out what sort of actual what happened beforehand. Okay, what was the previous happenings? You can go back and check that out. It's completely up to you. It really, really is. But apart from that, you know, it's just a lot of it. You just have to keep an eye on and watch the trend yourself. That's really it. There's nothing really more to it. And Jess says, what broker did you get with ATR? I got Trax, and you can see that down here in the bottom right. Which now I can't click off. There we go. One last trade. I would love to, Rudy. But I'm late to go to the gym and I have to have some food because I'm starving. So I have to do that before I get to the gym. And plus, to be perfectly honest, we've had 4 trades, 4 in the money. And I personally think that's a really good start for anyone. Those of you who are new, guys, you've got to stop thinking about placing more trades. Seriously, don't get greedy. I would recommend that all of you just watch the charts, learn what's happening with the economic calendar, use it, switch back to your virtual accounts, which you can do here, as you can do here. I don't know which one it is. There we go. You click the deposit button. Obviously, you got your demo balance. You can press reset to get 25 grand. Then you have your real balance, which is the one here. So use the virtual account, guys, and also do some like a few demo trades, okay? And then watch what happens with the economic calendar. All right, seriously. And Leon Post, okay, should I not use OptionBot for this? Well, yeah, of course you can use OptionBot. They do look very, very similar. So you know, use it. You might as well. Why not? OptionBot's real. I've earned 18k with OptionBot Plus, so I'm gonna get up to 18k again with ATR. I swear to God. Okay, guys. But yeah, thank you all again. If I don't see you guys in the comments section of this bloody video that I'm going to put it on YouTube, okay, you'll not be allowed to enter the webinar. I'm joking, of course, but I just want everyone to put, you know, their thoughts about how they got on in this webinar in the comment section of the YouTube video that I will put on there. Please give it a thumbs up. If this video gets over 40 likes, I swear to you guys, okay, probably maybe on Friday, I will do a live on YouTube so anyone can attend, okay? A live trading video on YouTube's live system. Okay? Okay, guys, listen, thank you very much again for attending the webinar, and I'll see you lot next time. Thank you.